Ready to ditch your overpriced phone plan and finally switch? Today, we're diving into exactly how to switch to Mint Mobile, ensuring a smooth transition and saving you some serious cash. Let's get started. First things first, unlock your current phone. This is a vital step to ensure compatibility with Mint Mobile. If you aren't sure how to do this, contact your current carrier once it is unlocked. Make a note of your current phone's IMEI number. This number is important. You can usually find it in your phone's settings under About Phone, on the original packaging, or by dialing a specific code. Now, head over to the Mint Mobile website, browse their plans and choose the one that best fits your data usage and budget. Mint Mobile offers various options, so compare them to find the perfect match. After selecting your plan, you will need to enter some personal information, like your contact details and shipping address. You will also be asked to select your phone number, either port your current number or get a new local number. If you decide to keep your current number, you'll need to provide information from your current carrier. This usually includes your account number, account PIN, full name, billing address, and the phone number you wish to transfer, and possibly the social security number. This information allows Mint Mobile to initiate the porting process. The porting process, where your number transfers from your old carrier to Mint Mobile, typically takes up to 24 hours, sometimes even less. During this time, your old service might temporarily stop working. Once the SIM card arrives, follow the activation instructions. Usually, you simply insert the SIM card into your phone. The Mint Mobile app will guide you through the remaining steps. Sometimes a quick reboot might be required. And that's it. You are now officially a Mint Mobile customer. Enjoy the savings and fast service. Switching is simple. Be sure to check out the description below for links to Mint Mobile and more helpful resources.